Estrogen and weight gain, part 2. The first thing I want to talk about is this idea of estrogen dominance. I do not want you to be fooled and think that if you've been told you're estrogen dominant, that doesn't mean you're being impacted by low estrogen. Estrogen dominance just means you have more estrogen in relationship to progesterone. So you can have very little estrogen, but as long as you have more estrogen than progesterone, you would be called estrogen dominant. Back to this idea of lower estrogen causing weight gain. Estrogen impacts the hormones that make us feel hungry and full, and lower estrogen means that we have more of those hungry hormones and less of those full, I'm satisfied hormones. We tend to eat more without realizing it. Think about the first half of your cycle when estrogen is climbing, days 1 through 14. You feel really good, everything's fine, food's not an issue. The second half of your cycle when estrogen's coming down, and this is when the cravings hit and you can't seem to feel satisfied and you eat a whole jug of ice cream. That's essentially what's happening. At this point, you're just in this downward trend of estrogen. And so those hunger hormones are up and those I'm full and satisfied hormones are down. So cravings are up, but it's okay. That's not the end of the story. So I will see you in part 3.